In this video, we're introducing a new solution to service marine engine water pumps, which in the past has been a difficult problem. In some cases, it can be almost impossible to insert the impeller into the cavity of a raw water pump. Not only inserting impellers requires significant compression to insert them into the cavity of the pump, they are also usually in difficult and hard to get to areas. With our new patent-pending impeller installation tool, inserting the impeller becomes simple and easy for boat owners and marine mechanics alike. This impeller installation tool can save hours of time servicing a water pump. This can be essential if you're out to sea and need to make an emergency repair. Using our impeller installation tool is easy. First, lubricate the tool and the cavity with glycerin or liquid soap. Then rest the impeller installation tool on a flat surface with the wider portion of the tool up. Place the impeller on top of the impeller installation tool and push down while rotating the impeller in the shaft rotation. Now push the impeller all the way down the tool until it contacts the bottom surface. Insert the impeller installation tool with the impeller into the pump cavity and slightly rotate it until it engages the shaft transfer connection. Then slide the impeller installation tool to the bottom of the cavity of the pump. In case of a free-spinning pump shaft, it's important to prevent the shaft from spinning while inserting the impeller installation tool so the impeller aligns with the shaft and the transfer connection. With the impeller installation tool at the bottom of the pump cavity, slightly rotate the tool in the direction of the compressed vanes and at the same time pull out the tool from the cavity. The impeller is now installed. Simply reinstall the pump cover with a new gasket and you're done. As you see, this is a new way of servicing the pump that makes the difficult task of installing the impeller quick and simple. Another problem with servicing raw water pumps is removing the old impeller. Currently, there are no practical removal tools on the market now. Traditionally, the impeller is removed with screwdrivers. This usually damages the pump housing, which can lead to a leaky pump. With our new impeller removal tool, removing an impeller is easy. To remove an impeller, simply place the tool 90 degrees in relation to the pump cavity cam and pull up the locking mechanism lever so the jaws lock onto the impeller. Now pull up and the impeller is removed.